All right, these are your flexible TPU mirrors for your bug. You can see how they flex. One important thing to note is the end is a D shape, which means the hole is a D shape, so they fit in a specific direction. The tolerances are very tight, and the tight tolerances enable it to all snap together without having to glue it. You can glue it if you want, but it's not required. If you look at this part, I'm going to use this to kind of help get my fingers away. You can see you've got a fat end and a skinny end. The fat end, where my thumb is the part that goes to the outside of the body. The little skinny nub is what holds it in place on the inside of the body once you press it through. So, your mirrors are directional. So we're going to take these and line it up so the back side of the mirror is where the D should face in. And you can see they just kind of press into place like so. And then we'll grab the mirror or the body and you just kind of work it into place until it fits in there. If you need to, you can pop the mirror back out just to get it pressed in all the way. There you go. Now you've got a bug mirror. You can run it off the rocks. It'll move all over the place. You can still spin it a little bit. It might use a little bit of glue just to make sure it doesn't fall off on the trail, but you're not going to break this, you're not going to damage the body, and it fits in here with the stock Tamiya clear window without any interference. There you go. You got a bug mirror.